Hello everyone. Today we have to learn how to install latest version of Java. So choose your browser and type JDK download. Go to the Oracle website. Now scroll down. Choose your machine, Linux, macOS and Windows. For Windows, download x64 MSI installer. Click on this link. I already downloaded, so I am not downloading again. Cancel. So go to the download tab and install this. Next, choose next, and this will download. Install. Now close. JDK install successfully. Now set the path. Search environment variable. Now environment variable. Go to the path and add it. And choose the location where we download. In C drive, programming files, Java, JDK 25, bin folder, copy the path. Control C. Now to the here, choose new, copy the path. Okay. Now we set the home path. In this choose new, set Java underscore home. Here again paste the path and remove the pin folder and OK. Then OK, again OK. Now we make the first program of Java. In Java folder, we make Java file. Test.java. Test.java, remove the txt extension. Yes. Open this in Notepad and add the program. Class test. And add the main program. Add the main method. String and string array. And add the print statement. System.out.println. My first program. First, my first program and semicolon. Now program is complete. Go to the terminal and here write direct cmd. Now terminal is open on that path and type java c test.java. Now program compile fine and run the program. Java Java test. Now program is run and print my first program. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.